So hi, today I'm going to talk about the examination practice, and today we'll have 14 questions. Now let's start. For exam style question 1, calculate 5/6 in bracket 1/4 plus 1/8, giving your answer as fraction in its lowest term. So for this, we can remove the bracket first and write it as 5/6 times 1/4 plus 5/6 times 1/8. 5 times 1 will get 5. 6 times 4 will get 24. Then next, 5 times 1 get 5 again. 6 times 8 get 48. But then the denominator is not the same, so we'll times 5/24. 24 times 2 and 5 times 2. We'll get 10/48 plus 5/48. Then we can sum it, which will get 15/48. But it's not the lowest term, so we'll divide by 3 and you'll get 5/16. Now question 2. 93,800 students took an examination. 90% received grade A, 34% received grade B, 31% received grade C, 10% received grade D, and 11 received grade E. The rest received grade U. They will need to find the percentage of students received grade U. So firstly, we'll need to find how many percentage is here. So we'll take 19% plus 24% plus 31 plus 10 and 11. And here we'll get 95%. And the rest, and in the 100%, the rest, the other than the 95%, the rest is grade U. So we'll take 100% minus 95 and we'll get 5. So the percentage of student getting grade U is 5%. And question 2b, what fraction of the students receive grade B? Give your answer in its lowest term. So grade B is 24%. So it's 24 out of 100. When we change it to the lowest term, we can divide it by 4, which 100 becomes 25. And 24 divided by 4, you get 6. 6 times 4 equals to 24. So this is the answer for question 2b. Question 2c, how many students receive grade A? The percentage of students receiving grade A is 19%. So we'll take 19% times the amount of students, which is 93,800. And we'll get 17,822. And this is the answer. Now move to question 3. Question 3. During one summer, there were 27,500 cases of salmonella poisoning in Britain. The next summer, there was an increase of 9% in the number of cases. Calculate how many cases there were in the second year. For this, we will need to find the 9%, how many cases is in 9%, and then sum with the past year cases. So we'll take 27,500 and times 9%, and then we'll get 2,475. So this is the 2,475 is the number of cases that increase. Then we'll take this, the number of cases increase, sum with the past year cases, which is 27,500, then plus 2,475, and we'll get 29,975. So this is the answer. Question 4. Abdul's height was 160 cm on his 15th birthday. It was 172 cm on his 16th birthday. What was the percentage increase in his height? So firstly, we'll write percentage increase first, as it's stated in the question. And then using the formula, A minus B divided by B times 100%, which A is after, B is before. So after is 172, and then minus 160 divided by 160 times 100%. We'll get 12 over 160 times 100%. Then we'll get 7.5%. So the percentage increase is 7.5%. Now, past year questions. Question number 1. Write 0.0000574 in standard form. So when we move the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 steps, so we can write as 5.74 divided by 1, then 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this one, we can also change it to times, so it's 5.74 times 0 power of, 0 power of -5. And this is the answer. Question number 2. Give each answer as a fraction at its lowest term. Work out. This is divide. So 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 12 can also be written as 3 over 4 times 12 over 1. 3 times 12 will get 36. 4 times 1 get 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So this is the answer. And then question B, 2 and 1/2 times 4/25. We can written as 2 times 2 plus 1, 2 times 4, 5. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 5/2 times 4/25. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 25 is 50. And the answer is 2/5. Now, calculate 17.5% of 44 kg. The word off means time, so 17.5% times 44. And then we'll get 17.5/100 times 44. Times 44. And then we'll get 770/100. Then cross out, and then we'll get 77 divided by 10, and that is 7.7 kg. Don't forget the unit. Next, question 4. Work out 5 and 3/8 minus 2 and 1/5 in its lowest term and show the working. So this one, we can also, we need to change the denominator first. So equals to 5. We can times by 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 3 times 5 is 15. Then minus 5, then 5 need to become 40 is times 8. So 5 times 8 is 40. 1 times 8 is 8. Then we can minus 5 minus 3 is 5 minus 2 is 3. Then the denominator will remain. 15 minus 8 is 7. And this is the answer, 3 and 7/40. Question 5, Samantha invests 600 at a rate of 2% per year, simple interest. Calculate the interest Samantha earns in 8 years. So we'll take 600 times 2%, which is 2/100, equals to 1,200/100, and then it's 12. So it will earn $12 per year. Then it says 5 years, so we'll take 12 times, my God, 12 times 8. 12 times 8 will get 96. And this is the answer. And now we'll move to question 6. Question 6. Show that 1/10 squared plus 2/5 squared equals to 0.7. Then we'll do the square first, so it's 1/10 times 1/10 in bracket plus 2/5 times 2/5. 1 times 1 is 1, 10 times 10 is 100, plus 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 5 is 25. And then we'll get to change the denominator first. 25 times 4. So 25 times 4 will get 100. So 1 over 100 remain. Plus 25 times 4 is 100. Then the numerator is whole. 4 times 4 is 16. And then we'll get 1 plus 16, 17 over 100. 17 over 100 we can also write as 0.17, yes. Maria pays $84 rent. The rent is increased by 5%. Calculate the Maria's new rent. So firstly, we'll need to calculate the 5%. How much is the 5%? Then how will we calculate this times? 5% times 84. 5 times 84 divided by 100. 5 times 84 is 420 divided by 100 because it's a percent. Then we'll get 4.2 dollar. So this is the amount increase. Then we'll take the original amount which is 84 plus with 4.2, which will get $88.2. Then question 8. Question 8. I borrow 4,500 from a bank at a rate of 5 per year compound interest. He paid back the money and interest at the end of 2 years. How much interest did he pay back? So firstly, we'll calculate the first year first. So we'll take 4,500 times 5%, which will get 225. So this is the interest for the first year. Then for the second year, we'll take the money he borrowed plus the interest of the first year, which is 225, and we'll get 4,725. Then add the interest, 4,725 times 5%, we'll get 236.25. So this is the interest for the second year, and this is the interest for the first year. Then we add up, it will be the total interest of 2 years. So 225 times 236.25, we will get 461.25. So this is the answer of the interest that he paid. Question 9. Jasjit and her brother collect stamps. When Jasjit give her brother 1% of her stamps, she has 2,475 stamps left. Calculate how many stamps Jasjit had originally. So that means that this 2,475 is 99%. So we'll need to use this, that 2,475 equals to 99% to calculate how much is 1% of just JIT stamps. So we'll take 2,475 divided by 99, which will get 25. This means that 1% of just JIT stamps was 25. Then the original amount of her stamp would be 2,475 plus 25, which is 2,500. Now question 10, work out 2 and 5/8 times 3/7. So we'll change 2 and 5/8 to become to not to be a mixed number. So 2 times 8 will get 16. 16 plus 5 is 21, so 21/8 times 3/7. 21 times 3 is 63. 8 times 7 is 56, which equals to when 63 minus 56 is left 7, so it's 1 and 7/56. But 56 is divisible by 7, so 7 divided by 7 is 1. 56 divided by 7 is 8. So this is the final answer, which is 1 and 1/8. And that's all.